In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Samsung phone that won't turn on, that won't display, or that won't show any sign of charging when you connect the charging cable. All right, so when I try to connect the charging cable on the phone, as you can see here, guys, nothing happens. It doesn't show any sign of charging. And even when I try to power on the phone, if I try to power on the phone won't power on. So if you're experiencing this same problem on your smartphone, all you have to do here is just to follow the step that I will show you in this video, and you'll be able to fix and resolve your Samsung phone. All right, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. All right, guys, so before proceeding with different methods to fix this problem, now the first thing I want us to verify is to verify the charging cable and the charging adapter. Now most times this thing could actually be from a malfunctioning charging cable or the charging adapter. So now the easiest way for us to check this now is to connect the charging cable to another phone. Here I'm going to connect it to another phone that is using the same type of Type-C charger. As you can see here, guys, so this is actually working. So that tells me that this problem is not from the charger, right? It's going to be from the phone. So here I'm going to connect back the charger to the phone. All right, so guys, the first method here now is to plug your phone and allow it to charge for minimum of 30 minutes, right? Even if you didn't see anything on the screen, just allow the phone to charge for 30 minutes. Now most times the battery could actually be drained out. Now before the battery is actually going to power up again, it's going to take a longer period of time. So the first thing here to do is to allow the phone to charge for 30 minutes. All right, so let's allow the phone to charge for 30 minutes, guys. All right, guys, so after 30 minutes, what I want to do here now is to unplug the charger. All right, so if the phone powers on, that means the first method has actually fixed the issue. As you can see, the phone is coming on now. So if the phone is coming on now, that means the first method has fixed this problem. Now if it doesn't work on your phone, now you can proceed to the second method. All right, guys, so if you have applied the first method and the problem still persists, now the next thing I want us to do here now is to perform a soft reset on the phone. Now a soft reset on the phone is actually going to make the phone to force restart. So in the process of force restarting, it's actually going to fix any problem that is associated with a blank screen, that's associated with the phone not coming on, or that is making the phone not to charge. So performing a soft reset can fix all those problems. All right, so that's another method which you are going to apply now. Now to do this, you need to unplug the charging cable from the phone, and then you press the volume down button and then the power button. You combine the two buttons together for 10 seconds. So that is going to force restart the phone. Now let's try this now, guys. So I'm going to hold the two buttons together, right? I'll press and hold on the two buttons. Now this is going to perform a soft restart on the phone. So once you see Samsung logo, then you remove your finger from the buttons. So guys, as you can see here, the phone is successfully booting into the Android home screen. As you can see here, guys, so performing a soft reset could also fix this kind of problem. You can see. All right, so that's, if this method did not work for you, then you can proceed to the third method, guys. All right, guys, so if I followed the two previous methods that I demonstrated and the problem still persists, now the next available option now is to delete all the temporary files stored in the cache partitions of your Android phone. All right, now to do this, we are going to boot into the Android recovery mode. Then from that screen, we're going to be wiping out all the cache partitions. All right, now we're going to combine, you're going to combine the volume up button and then the power button. So once you combine these two buttons together, if the phone turns on and the Samsung logo comes out, then you release the power button and you keep holding the volume up button. So let's do this together. So I'm going to combine the two buttons together. So once the phone turns on, I'll release the power button and then I'll keep holding the volume up button. That is going to boot this phone into the Android recovery mode. All right, so here now use the volume down button to scroll down to wipe cache partition. All right, click on the power button to select the option, then use the volume down button to select yes, and then click on the power button to wipe that. As you can see here guys, cache wipe complete. Now click on the power button to reboot the phone. All right guys, so let's wait for the phone to boot into the home screen. All right guys, as you can see here guys, the phone is working. It's working very fine now. All right, so guys, that is a simple way on how to fix this kind of problem on your Samsung Galaxy phone. All right guys, so that is a simple way on how to fix this kind of problem on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now if you find the video interesting guys, I would like you to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, and also drop down in comments in the comment section. Let me know any of these methods that actually work for your phone. All right, so with that being said, see you guys in the very next one. Bye for now.